What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do my review of the d.o.l.l.a lifestyle sneakers. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away a brand new Yeezy Zebra, courtesy of our sponsor, Shoe Freak PH, as well as a brand new Nike Epic React Flyknit the moment to hit 30,000 subscribers. We're also giving away a bunch of Rastaklat bracelets, courtesy of our sponsor, the Nines. I'll put a link down below on how you guys can join that giveaway. So subscribe now, follow me on IG. The d.o.l.l.a, I really sound like a bad try-hard rap artist when I mention the name, but just bear with me, guys, as I try to get through this review. The d.o.l.l.a sneaker is one of my favorite lifestyle sneakers that won't leave a burning hole in your bank account. Here in the Philippines, it sells for 6,000 pesos only, and if you do have a membership discount over at Titan, you can even get 10% off, or you can get the 10% cashback from the Adidas 3 Stripes Club if you opt to buy it from Adidas. It comes in this giant black box. It is actually bigger, the box, compared to the sneakers inside. There's even a filler they have just to be able to fill out the box itself. And as you guys can see, it has some sort of shiny hologram type logo here with the 3 stripes and the Damian Lillard logo that you have here with the D. This is size 13. I opted for one size bigger because the Dame lineup of sneakers have always been a bit tight and snug, so I wanted to make sure that I would have the right allowance with this particular pair. And here you have it. This is the d.o.l.l.a Desert Camo sneaker. And before we even get to the review itself, let me just share with you guys what d.o.l.l.a means. It's different on levels the Lord allows, which is actually Damian Lillard's rapper name. So it's like Dame Dollar. That's how he calls himself if he's doing his rap thing. Going back to the sneaker, as you guys can see, here we have it. Let me just turn down the light so you can have a better view of it. The upper is dominantly made of that knit mesh material. I think it's mostly mesh. It is very stretchable and breathable, and you have some sort of desert digital camo going on for the overall look and feel of the shoe. I absolutely love the design. I absolutely love the pattern, the overall color, and this is a shoe that I'm thrilled to be able to finally add to my collection. I actually saw this a few months ago when it first came out over at Adidas BGC, but I didn't pull the trigger because I was still a bit reeling from a very bad decision of buying another Dame shoe. This, of course, is the Dame Bape sneaker. This is the Dame 4 in black with the collaboration with Bape. Now, most of you probably love this shoe, but this, my friends, is not for people with wide and flat feet. This is excruciatingly painful to wear for me, and that's the reason why I'm seriously thinking of selling it, and that's the reason why I've stayed away from Damian Lillard sneakers for the last few months. But hey, the design of this one was just too hard to pass up, so I ended up copying it. Moving down to the sneaker, you have the bounce midsole, which is the same bounce midsole as you have with the Dame 4 basketball sneakers. Now, bounce is nowhere near as comfortable as Boost technology, but it still does an excellent job of giving you great cushioning as well as energy response and court feel. It is primarily, after all, performance tech for basketball. Moving down, you have that light brown colorway over here. That is actually the outsole, which also extends down here, and you have those 3 stripes here at the bottom, which, by the way, the 3 stripes are also present here along the side of the upper. The Damian Lillard logo is here at the tongue tab, and you have Dame d.o.l.l.a written at the back of the sneaker. It's surprisingly so much more comfortable than the Dame 4. Why is that? Because the Dame 4 has a very narrow entrance, as you guys see here, and the upper material is not forgiving at all because it presses down. It's not flexible because, again, as a basketball sneaker, you need foot lockdown and foot containment. As a lifestyle sneaker, though, it's all about comfort, it's all about breathability and flexibility, and that's what you get with the upper material, and you have a much more generous entrance to the foot that has more give compared to the original Dame 4. And that's the reason why I just love wearing this pair. This is a pair that I enjoy beating up. In short, it is a stylish beater that you can just wear every day and rock. And hey, there are a lot of designs that you can pick from the d.o.l.l.a line. So just pick the color that you guys want. There's an all black one, there's a white, digital white version, and there's this brown one which I'm loving the most. So just take your pick, you know, and it's something that I'm sure you guys will enjoy if you like the design and the style of the sneaker. So what is the moral of this review? Sometimes, guys, hype is just hype. And hype can be very much be overrated and oversold. At the end of the day, sneakers and shoes are supposed to be comfortable. They're supposed to keep your feet secure and okay. If you decide to pull a trigger on a sneaker just because it's hype, just because it looks good, and you spend a fortune on it, you will end up regretting it, and you will leave money out of the door, out of your pocket, out of your bank account that could have been used for something better in your life. Now, again, this sneaker is so much more cheaper and so much more affordable than this one. But if you ask me, if you take a look back in terms of design, style, comfort, and everything else, this was a much better buy for me at less than 6,000 pesos than the resale price, which I will not share anymore, that I paid for this particular pair. And that's actually it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember, hype is just hype. Buy the shoes that you want, buy the shoes that talk to you, and buy shoes at a reasonable budget. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're all having a fantastic week. Peace. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe.